So the spark for all this really came from our Innovation Day 18 months ago. I recognised the power of how our advisory and IX teams could truly help Harrods turn the dial on their growth strategy. And so we set up an Innovation Day that brought the best of our global retail expertise to the table, along with our garage methodology, which truly transformed both Harrods' view of IBM and their appreciation of how they needed to address their global customers with a more localised and relevant customer experience. This wasn't about opening stores, this was about creating both physical and digital experiences close to the Harrods customer and their prospective customer. It was a huge success, I'm really pleased to say, and as a result, the CIO and I were looking for a way of leveraging this new type of partnership. And back at the start of last year, I had a call from Harrods to say they had decided to begin to build out an international presence, in much the way we had discussed at that workshop, and could IBM be a potential partner in that journey? It wasn't a sole source conversation, but we had impressed, and therefore, when we pitched an end-to-end IT solution using Garage and drawing upon our China retail and delivery expertise, Harrods knew that we had it and were convinced. And we were awarded the work at the same time that the world was starting to lock down, and the confidence we gave Harrods of the ability to deliver this vital project in such circumstances, I'm sure, was also key to the award.
When the UK team asked us to support Harrods with their residence in Shanghai, I was very pleased to inform them that they came to the right place. We have an outstanding team established in our studios in China. They are well-trained in IBM Garage ways of working. We quickly formed a team around one of our creative design leaders in China and augmented that with technical talent. Garage was the best way to engage this client. They didn't know what they needed to do, and we came together to co-create that vision. This all happened when COVID just started, and with a client like Harrods used to face-to-face interaction, it was a new learning experience for them. And we actually took them on a journey to train them on working remotely. They were very impressed with IBM's capability to work remotely. In some cases, it was more efficient to work remotely than face-to-face. Harrods were impressed with our creativity, thought leadership, and technical depths, and that was clear in the positive feedback that we got from them. Together, we delivered a solution that streamlined operations in the residence and ensured the most user-friendly experience. This success resulted in IBM continuing the growth journey with Harrods by launching another residence in Beijing, and I'm hoping we will see more locations across the world in the near future.
The garage experience with Harrods is wonderful. Together, Harrods and IBM, we only used 2 days, a virtual workshop, to change that idea into a total solution and then into trackable tasks in Jira. We fully embraced Agile, allowing us to have a newer version of the application each iteration, which could be tested by our product owners from Harrods team and offer immediate feedbacks. The synergy of the two teams working together is amazing.
And now, well, we're delighted with how it's all gone. The first residence at Shanghai has been a resounding success, and the IBM delivery equally so, reflected by the amazing feedback we've received. The second residence in Beijing opened just recently, and the plans for the next few are already well underway, as well as further expansion both outside of China and into broadening the customer experience in each of the residences and beyond. We're truly thrilled to be Harrods' international IT partner on this journey, both advising and delivering as a true business partner, exactly as they describe it, which is the best compliment you can get. It's a really exciting place to be right now.
We are IBM iX.